All right, KiwiCo viewers of the TheChanClan, Douglas is here to review this month's new build, Bottle Rocket. And we're actually outside and you can really see the splash of stuff that has kind of gone around here as Douglas has already tested the Bottle Rocket. So this month's build features a stand and a propelled bottle rocket. Inside this set we have all sorts of cool stuff. Launch pieces, nose cone, orange sticky foam, cork, zip tie, bottle fins, funnel pieces, rivet stickers, clear stickers, teaspoon scoop, and then here we go, citric acid, baking soda. That is what you're going to get, the propellant of your rocket. So here we have the build instructions, which Douglas has done as he built the stand first and then he built the rocket. And now he's going to come and demonstrate what this rocket does. Inside our box here, had a bunch of stuff, including a packet of citric acid, which Douglas has already put into another cup. And it looks like we have some extra baking soda as well. A bunch of balloons. What are the balloons for, Doug? That's the citric acid.
And the baking.
And the baking soda.
It's probably for that, yeah.
Oh, these are other projects that you can make with the balloons to measure the gas, learn about chemical reactions and fizz, liftoff, propellant. So yeah, you should go through this too and read through the Tinker Zine, which has more information about soda science. But without further ado, everybody wants to see this rocket take off. So Doug, what are you going to talk us through? What are we doing here?
Putting the baking soda and citric acid in the water, which makes it like explode.
Okay.
And so it's pressure on the blackening material.
Okay. What just fell off? Nose cone?
Yeah.
So I was working upstairs when I heard this big sploosh. And I guess that was this thing taking off. So let's see what you can do. Stuck in there?
Yeah.
There. That didn't work. All right. Here, I'll hold this like this. You can get that stuff out. Good news, the citric acid and baking soda are non-toxic. So you can use your finger to dig it out a little bit there. Looks like it got some water on there, so it probably got a little bit moist and stuck in.
It's gonna explode. I'm sure the whole thing even gets in.
Okay, we got it off of there.
Okay.
Trying to get this mixture up.
And then hopefully it works. But it's bullshit.
Oh, we just gonna wait for it?
Yeah.
So right now what's happening inside, Doug? The citric acid and the baking soda are mixing together, are dissolving. And as it's dissolving, it is making what? I think it's making gas. There it goes! Oh! It popped off. All right. Let's do it again. This time with more.
More water?
Okay, we've loaded this one up with a lot more fizz and a lot more water. So Doug is going to put this onto the launch pad. And I told Doug that until you cork it on the launch pad, it is not going to take off because it's just like an open soda bottle. But when the soda bottle is closed, oh, phooey. When the soda bottle is closed,
I didn't push it in too much.
I bet you can take off again. Here, turn it over again. Put it back on, real tight. Good. And then we'll turn it back over. Put the nose cone back on, which is just decorative. And we'll see if that builds up enough gas. But this is the same concept of a dry ice kind of bomb. That basically, in a closed system, when that gas has nowhere to go. So as the citric acid and as the sodium bicarbonate or the baking soda build up more gas, undergoing a chemical reaction, it's making carbon dioxide, and that gas has nowhere to go inside the bottle except out the end of it, and that's what propulses the rocket upwards. In a closed system, like a soda bottle, that can lead to an explosion, so that's kind of dangerous. And that's what dry ice does. So don't do that, kids. You're going to blow off your arm, literally. In our state, dry ice is pretty restricted, so we probably need a little bit more of the catalyst here. So yeah, more rocket fuel. So Douglas is just going to take this off and add a little bit more of citric acid and baking soda. And this is going to cause some bubbling. In fact, you could probably even use like soda pop and put it in there and then cork it. It'll probably end up shooting off. Yeah, that's probably enough water. I think the last time the water, it was too heavy, so it couldn't shoot very high, right? Yep. So he's closed the system. Still see that kind of, uh-oh, nose cone fell off.
Yeah.
Oh well. See if we can get a wide shot of how high this thing launches. So just sitting there. At some point, it's gonna launch. There it goes! Woo! All right, again. Gotta find the balance of height and weight. So not too much water and enough fizz to propel, to push this upwards. Okay, Douglas is mixing up some more rocket fuel here. He's gonna put a little bit more citric acid and baking soda together. It's kind of nice because they give it to you in a solid form here. It's not like baking soda and vinegar. So another thing you could do is just fill this up with vinegar and then add baking soda by itself, right? So the acid here is the citric acid that dissolves in the water. It's an acid-base experiment, basically. Douglas, what was the coolest thing about this? Watching the rocket take off unexpectedly? Probably. What's the hardest thing about this build?
Nothing really.
Nothing really? What's fun about this?
I don't know, just like it launching.
Yeah, I think it's kind of cool because it's like one of the first KiwiCo crates that we've built that has a chemical reaction rather than kind of a mechanical thing. Yeah, so that sticker is getting kind of wet. Okay, so what do you want to do? Here, is there a funnel? There's the funnel. So I'll hold the funnel, you pour it in as much as you want in, as much as you think is gonna. There you go. He's going plenty. All right, whoa, it's already boiling over. Cork it. Yes, cork it really tight. There you go. Let's see how high this one will go. Whoa, that one went high. Holy smokes, that one was good, huh? All right. It tastes sour. I can smell the sour stuff. Oh, good job. All right, there you guys have it. I think you guys had a good demonstration of this month's Tinker Crate. It's the bottle rocket using citric acid and baking soda. So check out the link below for your opportunity to subscribe to your own Kiwi crates and build these in your backyard to enjoy with your friends and family. Okay, here's another crazy launch.
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Lucas is going to come watch it. Watch this. We're going to launch this thing. Oh, the nose cone just fell off. Catalyst is already in. We're spinning up. All right, it's probably good. I think that's plenty, Doug. Yep. It's smoking out the top. Push it in hard. All right, here we go.
What the heck?
All right. Bonus launch. So we're waiting for this rocket. Yes. Oh, I found the sleeve this morning. Here's the lunch, the rocket, make it yourself bottle rocket Tinker crate. Looks like they're using generic boxes now with custom sleeves that allow them to package their kits in the same box. Learn about pressure and chemistry, KiwiCo.